If your Galaxy S25 Ultra is not detecting Wi-Fi networks and stopping you from connecting to the internet, here are the quickest fixes that usually solve the problem right away. Start by toggling Wi-Fi off and back on. This refreshes your device's wireless scan and often makes nearby networks appear again. Just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to pull down the Quick Settings panel. Find and tap the Wi-Fi icon to disable it. And after a few seconds, tap on it again to enable it back. If nothing shows up, try turning airplane mode on and back off. This forces all wireless radios to reset, which helps if your Galaxy S25 Ultra temporarily stopped scanning for networks. Swipe down from the top right corner, tap the airplane mode icon, wait a few seconds, then tap it again to turn it off. Next, restart your phone. A quick reboot clears temporary glitches that may be preventing your Galaxy S25 Ultra from detecting Wi-Fi networks. Pull down the Quick Settings panel again, then tap the power icon and choose Restart. If networks still won't appear, restart your router. This refreshes your home Wi-Fi signal and fixes most connectivity issues coming from the router side. Unplug your router for 10 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for the lights to stabilize. You can also reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. This removes corrupted network data that often cause network issues. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General Management. Choose Reset, select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and confirm. If the problem continues, it might be a router or network issue. Contact your internet service provider to check for outages, configuration problems, or weak signal from their end. After trying these steps, the issue should be fixed and nearby networks should reappear normally. If this video helped you reconnect, give it a like or watch another quick tip to improve your Galaxy experience.